Hey, what's up guys, it's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Carrollwood, Florida. We're gonna be doing a driveway cleaning here for this customer. This is a renter, she doesn't live here, so she just wanna get it looking good. She also has the front of the house that has a lot of algae. That was not part of the quote, so when I got here, I noticed it. You know, I just told her, look, I'll go ahead and do it for exchange for a 5-star review, which she agreed for. So another one for the books. That's how you rack them up. So we got 2 jobs on the schedule today. It was gonna be a slow week, man. I had 2 jobs scheduled for the whole week, and I end up booking 11 jobs for the week. So definitely blessed for that. So let's go check the job out. But before I do, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like, leave a comment. Any questions you got, just ask them, and make sure you hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. All right, let's go look. Pretty dirty, pretty dirty. This one's gonna come out really good. It's gonna be a good transformation. A lot of algae build up here in this top half of the driveway, and also the walkway here. And then this is the wall I saw that was pretty dirty. So we're gonna spray that down with some SH. That stuff is so thick, I know downstream it's not gonna work, so I got my 12-volt system with about a 4 to 5%. I'm gonna hit this wall, get it all cleaned up. It's pretty dirty. Good backside of it. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit this fascia. This drip edge. They got a lot of algae build up on it. I'm gonna hit that too. All the way around to the front. Get all that knocked out. I'm gonna also use the same mix to pre-treat the concrete, since I already have it. I'm gonna pre-treat the concrete with it, and may post-treat with it too. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have lines. It's pretty dirty. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have some lines. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the wall down, the drip edge, and I'll go ahead and pre-treat the driveway, and then we'll get going with the surface cleaning. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so all that's already sprayed. You guys can see this wall is already turning colors. I'm gonna let that sit and dwell for a little bit. I gotta hit the other side of the wall right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pre-treat the driveway. All right, now everything has been sprayed, pre-treated. This wall, I'm not gonna rush it. Give it a little bit more time. But I can see it's coming out clean already. Looks much better than it did when I got here. Yes, sir. I don't know, this stuff may need a little bit more more mix or dwell time, but it should come off. No rush, no rush. We'll go ahead and rinse off the drip edge, and then if we gotta wait for the wall to dwell some more, that's what we'll do while we surface clean. All right, we got the driveway, sidewalks, the walkway, and the curbs clean. Nice time to give it a good rinse. I don't have as many lines as I thought I was gonna have. Maybe because of the hot pre-treatment. But you guys can see, we got a big difference from what we started with. I'm gonna give it a rinse and we'll do a follow through, a follow up and show you guys the aftermath. The wall came out great. I'll show you guys that as well. I'm gonna give it a good rinse now. All right, now everything has rinsed off. You can see I got some tinting stains, especially up here. All those little marks, they gotta go. As far as lines go, I don't have that many lines. I see some faint ones like right here where it's real dirty, but post-treatment would take care of that. Check out the sidewalk. And I can see I definitely got some lines on this side because this was bad, real bad on this side. You guys can see all those marks. I'm gonna spray them with the same mix. I used a 4%. I'm gonna use the 4% to post-treat. See you guys on the recap. Okay, now we can do a recap. I already post-treated, put my stuff up. Let's check it out. So this is the concrete here. Lines already gone. All the tanning is going away. Neighbors in there is done. I leave them a card. But you guys can see. Especially this side has some tanning on the left and the right side. You ain't gotta rinse this, like I always tell you guys, just leave it. And then it'll dry up in the concrete. But let me show you guys that wall. That wall came out really good. Super happy with it. Just the walkway here. And this is the wall. Look at that thing, man. Whole different color. Look at that. 5-star worthy. The backside of this was filthy. Yes, sir. Got that drip edge, nice and clean all the way around. That's what we want. I hit the gutters too on the outside. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and head to, we're going to Lutz to do another driveway cleaning. So I'll see y'all when I get there. All right, we at the second job for the day. We're in Lutz, Florida. We're gonna be doing driveway cleaning for a returning customer. Last time I was here was 3 years ago. So the driveway is a little dirty. It's not, I thought it was gonna be worse than this, but it is dirty. They got a letter from the HOA, so they gotta have it cleaned up. Let's go check it out. So this is the driveway here. See, we got a lot of algae build up. I'm not sure who was here trying to clean this up, and they probably gave up, because you can see somebody used a gun. You can see swipes. Somebody was swiping. You can see it over here too. You guys can see somebody tried to do it themselves before. All those swipes. So we're gonna go ahead and use the same mix from the last job. I still have it in my 12 volt, which is the 4% mix. I'll go ahead and spray this right here as well for him. He told me to look around and see if I see anything that's dirty, go ahead and spray him down. I'm not even gonna charge for this right here. I think last time I was here, me and Eli cleaned this driveway. We did the fascia all the way across for him, which they're not dirty this time, so we're not gonna touch them. The garage door looks good. We're just gonna hit that wall. We're gonna apply our mix now with my 12 volt and get going. All right, so I got the top half of the driveway and the walkway washed. Sun is kind of hot today. We're back in the 80s in Florida, so concrete is gonna get dry pretty fast. I don't want the dirt to settle back down, so we're gonna go ahead and rinse everything off to the halfway mark, and then we'll finish off the bottom of the driveway. All right, bottom of the driveway is surface clean. This side is already washed. So sorry about the shadows. So now all I gotta do is give it a good rinse and post treat it. And I gotta hit that wall. Coming out pretty well. So we're gonna do the rinse and then the post treat, and then we'll see you guys on a recap. done. Right now it's 11:10. Started the first job this morning, say around 8:45. So yeah, looking good. Let's check it out. Get out this shade. So this is concrete here. It's post treated. No more swiping. Yeah, a lot of swiping around here. Post treated the walkway to the front door. I know it's hard to see with the trees in the way, but you guys can see we got some clean concrete. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. So I'll walk over here. This is where we stopped at right here. Looking good, man. You heard the neighbors. Alright, you guys. Well, that's it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. And y'all have a good one. See y'all on the next one, guys. Peace.